I'm not getting any readout on my digital display and no beep, so I know that the fuse is tripped. So here's a little video on how to do that reset. So we don't have any continuity at this point. We know it's not working. So I'm just holding it with a pair of pliers and then hitting it with my small hammer. But you could just bang it down against the ground. It has to be something hard though, not like linoleum, but like concrete or brick. And that'll, again, 80% of the time it'll reset. And now I have continuity, so this fuse will work. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks again.